Welcome to Arush coaching classes, and today we will be starting off with data visualization. What is visualization quickly?
Um,
Hmm.
Ma'am, I think it's like analyzing and getting the information, like, and to process using the charts or graphs.
Correct. Basically, Madhumita, if we talk about it, is visual representation,
Yeah.
which looks beautiful to our eyes,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So basically, when we talk about, we say action speaks louder than words.
Yeah.
Correct? That's what it is. See, whatever you are writing, whatever you are seeing in Panda, it is looking little boring, right? Why boring? All numerical data, tabular data, this, that. But here, when you start with visualization, basically you'll see graphs. You'll
Yeah.
see the trend is happening, not happening, moving, not moving. Correct? So, yes, when you said it basically refers to graphical or visual representation of information, right? Using what? Charts, graphs, maybe maps, and so on. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, there are two libraries which we generally use for visualization. One is Matplotlib, that is mostly for all the graphs and all. But if you want to make it more interesting or something, you can also use Seaborn. So I think Seaborn is not there in your syllabus, I guess.
Oh no,
Yeah,
ma'am, we don't have it.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's not there. So what we will do is we will be using mostly Matplotlib. Correct. So what is Matplotlib now? It is a Python library which provides many interfaces and functionalities to make, beautiful graphics, 2D graphics and so on.
Yes.
Correct. And it is basically based on Matlab. So what is Matlab? Have you heard about it?
No, ma'am, not sure.
Okay. So basically, it is, mathematical statistic values, if you want to, put it. So there's a MATLAB lab where you can work and all. So high performance language for technical computing. So anyways, that's like out of your syllabus and all. But if you are going into this area, you should at least know what is MATLAB and all.
Oh, okay.
Correct? So let's not go into that. Let's move back to our Matplotlib. And once you have done this, in Matplotlib, the most and the essential, quality or the one which is being used is pyplot.
Yeah.
And what it does, it is one of the interfaces. And what it does is it's a collection of methods within the Matplotlib. So jitne bhi, whatever functions you are doing with Matplotlib, it will start with pyplot. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you want to write the definitions or I think this is already there? No, you tell me.
Ma'am, I think it's there already, like in my
Yeah,
text.
yeah. So not a problem. So
Yeah.
we'll directly start with the commands. What do you say?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. So see, Madhumita, what happens? There are different kinds of, graphs like
Yeah.
line, bar, scatter, pie chart, histogram, box plot. So
Yeah.
you just have to apply a basic method and try to understand which is which one. And that's all we will see. Okay,
Okay.
one by one. First, we'll see a line graph, then we'll see different things and so on. Okay,
Yeah.
ready? All right.
Yes.
So we'll start import numpy as NP. You already know why, because here a lot of numerical data is being used.
Okay.
Okay. Second, you will write import matplotlib. So this is the library dot pyplot.
Yeah.
Right? Why pyplot? As I told you, this is the
Yes,
one
ma'am.
which will be using all the methods. As PL.
Yeah.
So
Ma'am,
this
as
is an
PhD.
alias name, PL only. You can
Yeah.
write PLT also, but the standard notation which is being followed is PL. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose I want to generate an array of say 1 to 5, okay, range like 0 to 5 or 1 to 5 elements, right? So what I'll do is I will use it on the X plot. I mean X and Y. Have you seen the graph? There is X,
Yes, ma'am.
on the horizontal axis, and Y, which is there on the vertical axis, or what do you say, the standing line, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now you will write X equal to NP. Why NP? Because we are talking about NumPy, the numerical Python, right? NP dot line space, the first one.
Lines?
Why am I writing no, altogether line space? SPACE. Why space? Because I said I wanted to generate an array.
Okay. Yeah.
Correct? So array can be 1, 5, 6.
Yeah.
Okay. On the y-axis, yeah, bracket open 1, 5, 6. Since I am taking an array, if you just want to plot a line, we'll do it other way. Okay.
Yeah.
Y equal to np dot log x. So I'm just taking on x-axis the array and on y-axis log x. Log x, x has to be written in the bracket.
Oh.
Why? Because I have generated an array and now I'm taking the log of it, logarithmic value. Now I want to plot it. See, x I have 1 to 5, y I have the log values of 1 to 5.
Yeah.
Now I want to plot it. How will I plot? PL, so you have written PLT, so you'll write PLT dot plot bracket open x comma y.
Oh, okay.
Now done. It's so easy. So base written like this. Yeah.
Oh.
In Python language, it is written like this.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
See, have you seen a log graph? It is like this.
Okay. Yeah.
Suppose you don't want to put log. See the log value 0 0.0, 0 0.2 on the y-axis. Can you see on the y-axis 0 0.4, 0 0.6?
Yes.
Correct? Like this. That's how the logarithmic values are being put. You don't want to put log, just put x. Then see what happens. NP dot. Yeah. Yeah.
And the brackets, I should remove it, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now try. Just put x. I think it is not understand. Just put x. Only x. No dot, nothing. Yeah. See, it's a straight line.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Since I wanted to show you something different, I mean the normal line say little different. That's the reason I specifically told you to put log. If you put it like this, it will show. See, now the values are same. 1 and 1, 1.5 and 1.5. Can you see x and y?
Yes.
And when it was log, the values were different on the y line or the y-axis, correct?
Yes.
So is this easy or is this difficult? What do you think?
It's easy, ma'am.
Easy?
Yeah.
Very easy.
Yeah.
You just have to practice and you'll find it very easy.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now I'll give you 3 lists and can you plot them? Give me one list, say A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equal to 2, 3, 5, 6, C equal to 1, 4, anything. Okay, so let's do it little logically. Say A is normal values, B is the double of it, C list is the square of it. Create 3 lists quickly. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's take 5 values. Okay, B list will be the double of it. Mm-hmm. 1, comma.
Yeah.
No, we are doubling. 6. This is square.
Oh, yeah.
No, 1, 4, 6. See, 2, double of 2 is 4, double of 3 is 6, double of 4 is 8. Like that. Yeah, 6. Yeah. Double of 4 is 8 and double of 5 is 10. Now in the third list, you create the square, the one which you were doing. 1, 4, 9,
Yeah.
and so on.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So can you plot a graph between A and B? What will be the command? Yes.
plt.plot.
Very good. Plt.plot. And what we will write? I want?
A, comma, B, comma, C.
No, I just want A and B.
Okay, just A and B. So A,
If
comma,
you
B.
put three things, it will be a 3D graph. Okay.
This
Or
one.
now run.
Yeah.
Run.
Run. Yes.
Okay. It's a perfect line. Little bit shady in between, but okay. And suppose if it is PLT dot, I mean between A and C, do you
Yeah.
find any difference?
A, comma, C. Oh, it's not a straight line.
Yes, a little bit.
Yeah, curve.
But Madhumita, see, you know, since you have created a data, you know A, B is double of it, C is the square of it, and so on. Correct.
Yeah.
I want you to label it. Right.
Oh, yeah.
Basically, I want you to write in the first graph, I want you to write, okay, below are the values, and on the y-axis, it is double value.
Yeah,
Then in the second graph,
yeah.
yes,
So
I
we can
want,
use plt.x label and y label.
yes. So can you do it in both the graphs quickly?
Yeah.
First in the first graph, yes. Go up, line
This
number 4. Yes, here. No. This is not x and y, A, B. Let's do A and B. X, Y to just the introduction. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's your AB? AB is not there. Acha, same thing you changed it, is it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. So first put A and B. Now give me X label and Y label for the same graph.
Yeah.
Okay. So X label, very good. You'll write values or anything.
Ma'am, is plot number fine?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whatever you want.
Yeah.
Okay. And Y label will be?
plt.y label. Variables, ma'am.
Okay, variables. Okay. Now run and see.
Yeah.
It worked?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Why is the graph coming like this? We were plotting A and B, no? Do you know why? Because PLT will come at the last, not in between.
In which one, ma'am?
Line number 8.
Yeah.
See, you have plotted a graph between A and B, but it is, yeah. So is it the same one or it is showing the other graph? I think it is showing the same one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So generally the correct notation is first you give the X and Y label and then you plot it. Generally it is done this way, but I think if this is also showing the answer, then also it's fine. Okay. Can you do it for A and C the same way?
Yeah.
A and C. Yes. Done? Okay. All right. Then another one is if you have to apply multiple statements on a single plot, then what will you do?
Multiple.
Anything? How will you write it?
In the sense like the grids kind of thing, or like how is it?
Okay, great thing will come little later on.
Oh,
Basically, we can, store it in a Python extension, or you can press Control plus Enter, and that way also you can do it. So that's just a trick to remember.
oh,
So in case you want to do it. All right. So X and Y label clear, Madhumita?
yeah.
Okay. Next comes yours, and that is specifying the plot size and the grid. How will you do it?
Mom, is it PLT dot size and
Size or figure?
oh figure FIG.
See,
Yeah.
plt dot figure, and then you give the fig size.
Oh,
Correct?
yeah.
Okay. So you want to do it with the same data, or you want to give some other data?
Oh, it's fine, ma'am. Can
Okay,
give a
fine.
different one. Yeah.
So can you quickly change the plot size and the grid? Can you give me the grid as well?
Oh, okay. P
How will you write?
dot grid for this thing.
Hmm.
And if you want it, so we can just write true. Like
Superb. Well done.
okay.
Quickly write there. Okay, let's see.
Wait, I think it's cap.
Yes, it is caps. Good.
Oh, yes.
Oh, grids are visible. Great. And what about the figure size?
Yeah.
I want to see big units.
Is this right?
Hmm. Figure, full figure.
Yeah,
Figure. Plot dot figure. Now in the bracket you will write. Bracket open. Fixed size.
Fig size.
Fig. Fig
Oh, yeah.
size
Yeah.
equal to. Now you give 15,7, 10,20, whatever you want to write in the bracket. 15 and 7 should come
Okay.
in the, because these are coordinates X and
Yeah.
Y, right? So always remember 15 and I mean whatever you are giving, it has to come in the bracket, parenthesis. Yes, comma. Yeah, two brackets you'll have to close, one for the 7 and one for the two brackets you will close, Madhumita.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So,
See, one is for the 15 and 7. No, not before.
oh,
This one you remove. 15, comma 7. After 7, two brackets. Why two? See, one is for the 7 and one is for the fig size. Can you see there's another bracket which is opening before the fig size? That
yeah.
bracket also you have to close. So two times you have to close.
Like this.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Now run and see. Come down. Okay, not so much of difference we could see. Let's keep it 40 and 20.
Okay. 40, 20.
Yeah. Yes. Now there's a difference.
Yeah.
Okay. This way you can keep on increasing, or maybe let's decrease and see. I think increase. Let's put 4 and 2.
Right. Oh,
Scroll down. Yes. See?
oh, yeah. Now it's.
Can you see there's a scroller? Just scroll
Yeah.
down. Can you see that scroller? It is showing. Yes, this one. See?
Oh.
See?
Yeah.
Okay, now you can see that. Okay, now change 200 and whatever you were changing, 100 and whatever.